Hey everyone, we're looking at a great knife here made by Kizer. It's a tactical folding knife, like they were saying. So this is the box, comes with this Sunburst orange colored knife. And what's great about it is has a pocket in the back to store the knife. And then there is a cleaning cloth. It's a very standard one. So put that aside. But this thing is great. It's free. It comes with the blade. It has a big pocket here, another one. So it has 3 pockets. The knife fits in this second largest pocket very well. This big pocket probably for you to put some cards or other stuff. But overall, it's nice touch. Extra stuff. I like it. So put aside, look at the knife itself. The color overall is very nice, so that's good. Okay, zoom in for you here. It has stone wash finish. Kizer's company. The steel of this one, let's see, it's S35V. Not sure if you can see, it's right here. Alright, it's best I can do with my camera here. So that's the aluminum handle. Okay, let me give you some specs about this knife here. So it, like I was saying, it uses S35VN steel. So it's the top steel actually. It's a liner lock system. It's here. And the weight of this knife is only 2.86 ounce, or 0.18 pound. The overall length from the tip to the bottom handle is 8.27 inch. The blade length is 3.54 inch. So it's a nice knife to have in the office, I guess, to cut foods. And it's not aggressive looking. So let's look closely. That's the pocket clip. This handle design is very nice and beautiful. I like the color especially. So you have to put some force in order to flip it well. Okay, so let's see. Liner lock here. This is the thumb stop. That's the blade shape. It's pointy, so it's good to prepare the food. And I guess when people see this color, see this knife, they don't think it's very aggressive. At least to me, it's not an aggressive knife. It's not a self-defense one. It just doesn't have that capability because it's the aluminum handle. It's kind of slippery, but the pattern makes it a little bit grippy, so it's better. Overall, I like this knife. I like the color. This Kizer brand really produce some very good knives and with the cheap cost. This one costs $70 and uses high-end F35VN steel. I don't think you can find this price for other brands like Cold Steel, Benchmade, Spyderco. If they use this kind of steel, the price would be much higher. But this is not the US company, so I guess that's how they driven the cost a little bit lower with better quality. So you pay for less but get more for your knives. I like it. And like I said earlier, get this thing. And it's nicely made actually. It's not like the cheaply made. The zipper works fine. The pouch has some paddings to it. It has some paddings to it, so it definitely protects the knife. You can put a 2 or 3 in there without any problems. If you want, you can put a 4, I guess. The thin knives like this. Alright, here you go. Thanks for watching. I'll have the item link below. This is Kizer's knife. Very good. Thank you.